channel. Yes, share it and like it. Don't forget to touch the notice button. You guys, it don't charge for. Just touch it. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Sister, brother, nieces, nephew. Everyone, like up Aunty Clair. We have cooking curry chicken today. I'm gonna do that. Right? So like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, Maggi, all-purpose, jerk, ginger, curry powder, black pepper. Yes, this is it. This is the season that I use. Right? And then I put my carrot, onion, garlic, pepper, thyme, pimento in there. So please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way how we do our curry chicken. So like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to do it. Do it, run and touch it. Touch the notice button. Follow me. Like it. Subscribe to it, man. Subscribe. We don't charge for that. Subscribe. Aunty Clair way of cooking. Big up Aunty Clair. Aunty Clair, Aunty Clair, Aunty Clair here. Big up the way we do with cooking this morning. God bless. Anything we do it in a God's hand. Right? Because He is our guide and our protection. So love us, share, and I love you guys, all YouTubers. Bless be to God. Thank you. Thank you. Bless up yourself. Big up.